right, North American Auto Equipment. We've just installed this Atlas Pro 9000. And when we do these setup, we logo them up with our phone number because we want people to know that we did the labor. You know, if you need a lift installed and you have a different brand, you need it moved, or if you need a ETL listed product like this one, this is the 9,000 pound. It's big and heavy duty, and we can put this thing together in about 3 hours for you. This customer has a brand new shop here. Nice high ceilings, and it was a good shelter for us for today from the working in the rain. So we put our name on there because that's me. Oop. Give it a quick wipe down before we roll out, and we unplug the lift. All right, if you need a lift, give us a shout. Thank you.